Well, we're just moving stuff around, getting the auger tractor filled up. Gonna move it down to the grain bin where we're gonna put the organic soybeans. We're gonna try running here in a couple days. We've had some really nice freezes last night and the night before, so hopefully any still live grass or weeds in there will be pretty well froze off and dead. So we're just getting stuff set up today, and I'll bring you along. You can ride along with us. That one needs a new tie rod. Well, I got the auger stuck up in the bin. Now we're just going to go take the combine and the bean head over to the other field that's almost ready. We're not going to start today. We might tomorrow, the late afternoon, if we get some decent sunshine, but today's definitely not a good day for trying to run beans. Pretty good overcast, and it's just a little bit humid out, so we'll try to run beans tomorrow if we can. Other than that, it'll be the day after, so I hope that goes well. Yeah, so we're just gonna move some stuff around here yet. I'm gonna take the combine over there and the bean head over there. I'm gonna try to take the orange wagon over there, and we'll probably put the big orange gravity wagon. We'll put it on a different tractor, because when I go to that farm way down south, that's a 2-hour drive. I'm going to put that anteater that's on the orange wagon, the orange gravity wagon, we're going to put that guy on the grain cart. You know, put the 2-wheel drive case tractor on the gravity wagon. And it won't be going down there. I don't need a gravity wagon clear down there trying to haul beans 2 hours one way with the tractor. So I'm gonna hire a guy to haul them up to the bin with the semi. So that's where the auger set up at. We just got like 45 acres to do here close, and I'm only gonna need one auger wagon there, and we'll gravity wagon them over to the bin that way. But once we get farther south, it's gonna be semi stuff. So anyway, all right, well, let's go get the bean head hooked up on comedian's pickup probably, and he can follow me over to the other farm. or I'll follow him because he can open the gate. Well, the sun's shining, so I think we might try to go ahead and run some today. We're just grabbing the 2394 and the big 500 bushel gravity wagon. We're gonna run him over there real quick so we can haul beans down to the bin with it. So hopefully we can run. I don't know yet. We haven't got a moisture check on them, and I hope they're dry enough. So folks said we had a couple really nice freezes a couple nights ago, so everything should be pretty well dying. And now this is the third day from the first freeze, so hopefully everything's dying good enough. Hopefully foxtails not give us whatever foxtail or weeds are in there. Hopefully they're dead enough. They're not gonna give us any problem. Here we go. We had to go up to the convenience store to pick up supplies. Well, grass sounds crunchy. It's a pleasant sound. Yeah, I think we can probably run. Well, sounds good. That's a good sound. Oh yeah, the stems are cracking all the way to the ground. I think we can run. Let's go get the tester and see. We'll run a little bit and test them, see what the moisture really is on them. They might be a little damp yet. I don't know. We'll have to test them and see. Since we're going to put them in the bin, they can't be anything over 13%. So they got to be dry enough to go in the bin and keep and not spoil. So then we got to do our clean out today. I've already cleaned all the doors and stuff on the elevators. Cleaned the throat all out. Did the drop. Swept everything off the bean head. We just have to do the purge. We have to run a little bit, 50 or 100 bushel through, dump it for the conventional stuff. We'll use the organic stuff to help flush anything else out that was sitting in any nooks or crannies in there, and then we'll sell that as regular conventional stuff. So let's hop up in here and see what she says. 12-2, hey, that's just right. Let's get another sample. Oh, she's blurry. What the heck? Come on, focus. 12.5 on that one. Can't hardly see it. Well, that's dry enough. Let's go ahead and keep running. They'll get drier as we go. The wind's blowing pretty good, and it's about 65 or so out. It's not terribly warm, but it's warm enough. They should dry down a little bit with a little more wind going. Well, these aren't terribly weedy. They just got a little bit of foxtail here and there, and obviously around the edges there's some foxtail, but they're not terribly bad. This is a field that was soybeans last year, and we put rye on it, and we baled all the rye off, and then we put her back to soybeans again. So we got a pretty good stand of soybeans. Really pretty nice crop here. Just got a few sporadic spots of weeds, or there's a bigger patch right up there. Looks like cockaburs, but not too bad. Pretty clean. There's our little pile of beans for our clean out. Well, I don't know. We'll see. There's probably about 60 or 70 bushel in there. That's enough for a good clean out, good purge. We'll get this dumped on the wagon and we'll get it sent off to town. Then we can fill everything up for going to the bin. I missed it, but there I got the purge stuff over on the wagon. And I'm going to go ahead and start running the rest of this here. with my tester. My tester said it was 12.2 to 12.5, and that little bit of clean out we took into the elevators, they said it was 15. So anyway, we're just gonna quit for the rest of the afternoon. We'll come back tomorrow on the on the beans. We'll spend the rest of the afternoon hauling some bales that need to get done. So hopefully the rest of you can see the sun's shining pretty good, and there's just not much of a breeze, but a little bit. Hopefully they'll go ahead and dry down a little bit more and come back tomorrow, and they should be all good. So at least that's the plan. Waiting my turn to unload. We got 12 bales on here, and then we got 8 bales on the bale trailer. It's nice to be able to move 20 bales at once. It's not really at once, but when you got a couple people to drive 2 different pickups, it goes pretty fast that way. Well, we had a pretty decently productive day. We got some of the beans out, and we got 20 bales of hay moved. Doesn't sound like a lot, but well, it's not too bad. So hopefully tomorrow we'll get the other 20 bales of hay moved, and we can go back down and try those beans again. Hopefully they'll be dry enough by about noon or 1 o'clock. We got several days of decent weather coming through. 55, 65 degree weather with a little bit of clouds, but mostly sunshine, so it's not going to be bad. We should be able to get a bunch of beans out. So I'm going to call that a wrap on this video, guys. Hope you enjoy the drone footage. If you got any comments, certainly hit me up in the comments down below, or questions, whatever. And if you haven't yet, please subscribe. I've seen majority of the people, 65% of the people watching these videos are not subscribed, so please do. And until then, catch you later.